Welcome to Avtrix Software Solutions. We're thrilled to have you here and we're excited to share with you the amazing services that we offer. At Avtrix, we specialize in custom software development. We understand that every business is unique and has its own set of needs and requirements. That's why we offer bespoke software solutions that are tailored to your specific needs. Whether you need a mobile app, a web application, or a desktop software, we have the expertise to deliver the perfect solution for you. Our team of developers is highly skilled and experienced in a wide range of programming languages and frameworks. We stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends, and we're always looking for new and innovative ways to solve problems and create value for our clients. In addition to custom software development, we also offer a range of other services to help you get the most out of your software. This includes software consulting, software testing and quality assurance, and software maintenance and support. We're committed to delivering exceptional service and support to our clients. We work closely with you throughout the entire software development process, from planning and design to development and deployment. We believe in open and transparent communication, and we keep you informed every step of the way. So if you're looking for a reliable and experienced software development company, look no further than Avtrix. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you achieve your business goals with custom software solutions.